People, welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 44, and today we are going to be downloading or installing Python on our platform, on our laptop or our Mac, right? I use a Mac, right? You're going to download Python and Jupyter, okay? So today is all about making sure that we have the tool on our laptop. Fun fact, I really don't know what I'm about to do here because Mac is new to me. But one thing I know is that there's something called Anaconda, right? So let's type that Anaconda, which is like a space that hosts all the Python things that you need, right? So I'm going to go on here and I'm going to sign in, right? Get started with Anaconda for free so I can sign in, right? I don't think I don't have, what's the name, an account, so I'm going to use my email to sign in actually. All right, so I want to use a different email. Yeah. Seriously? Sorry. I just forget my password like that. I forgot my password, can you imagine? But we good. Um, thank God I have the security saves and all those things. So, all right. So our Jupyter. Okay, welcome to Anaconda. Let's give you a quick tour. Since we don't know anything, let's all go on the tour together. All right. So it says what? Find your way. Get where you need to go using this top navigator. Okay, got it. Any other thing? Any other? I want to reject every cookie. All right, so we have notebooks, learning, forum, doc, pie, script, navigator, box, and all that. All right, so we have our Anaconda. I think we want to download something. So let's Jupyter is what we look forward to. Server not running. Right, so Jupyter is more of like where you can type out your code, right? When you download your Python. So let's see. Jupyter Lab. It's up opening. So I'm using internet as of now. Alright, it's opening. So whilst it's opening, let's go through and see what we have here. Alright. Okay. I think this. All right, so we have this is the, I think, the online interface of Jupyter. Assign a routine to the title. All right, so Anaconda 1 2 let's just give it a routine, and let's try out Anaconda 2. Okay, hide tips. So let's see something. Print into brackets, name, enter. Okay, let's run. How do we run? Shift, let's do shift and enter and see. How do we run? Control enter. Ew. Okay, let's see. Okay, it says I just used okay. print name is not defined. Okay, so let's say print into brackets name. Let's put it into quotation mark. Let's run it and see. All right, it works. So this is actually on online. So I just did print name. It is just a small code. So now let's see if you can download. So meaning we've created an account. So let's install. So let's go to download. Download now. So let's get started. We already have an account on Anaconda already, so downloading shouldn't be a challenge. So it's a Mac, right? So I'm going to choose Anaconda distribution here. Choosing the very first one. So it's downloading now. So while it's download, let's play around the codes on the online Jupyter. Okay, so let's say we want to create a variable just like we learned, right? So we say the variable is sales, which is equal to a list, right? So let's say A, B, C, right? It's a list. Let's run it and see. It's run, right? So now let's print out the sales and see. Print out into brackets sales. Let's run it. All right, so you see that so we are good. We're actually so you can use Jupyter Online. Actually, that's what it means, right? So that's variable. This is a variable, right? So we can wait. Let's say I'm going to give my name as a variable. So name equals Miss Mailiana. All right, and I'm going to run it with this icon. So the icon is like the play icon. Then I say print. So now you understand why we print, right? When you run it, it's a save though, but you can't see it. Do you get? So print into brackets name, and I run it. Then my name appears. You see it here. All right, so let's try out. So we've done variable, we've done list. So let's look at dictionary. So dictionary, we are going to say what do we say name and age, right? So let's say name underscore age is the variable equals then our curly bracket. Then we're going to say ama colon 2, then Kofi colon 4. All right, so let's run that, and now let's print out name underscore age, right? Let's see. All right, so it showed us the name and all that. Do you get? So now that our installer is ready, let's install it. Let's all right, allow, continue. It's installing. Let's continue. License, continue. I agree. Destination. All right, user of this computer, fine. Change installing location, no. I think the location is fine. Macintosh HD, I think it's fine. Install my password. It's running packages, installing. But so far, I think if you can even go online and use the codes and just see how the codes work. But yeah, we're going to get into that and in the next videos, right? So it's installing. installing. So let me check if we are still recording, right? Yeah, it's recording. Okay. Okay. Let's just It's recording, it's recording, it's installing. Okay, whilst it's installed, so we've looked at variables. So this is our variable, right? My name is the variable. We've looked at lists, right? We've looked at dictionaries as well, right? So these are ways to store data. Ticket, right? So that's like, I think because we actually did the oh well, this is actually, you're going to see this in day 45. Okay, you're going to see this in day 45, right? It will make more sense to you when I'm saying it on the board and you see this. It's like, oh, that's what she's talking about. She's talking about variables list, and all that. So you're going to get that as well, right? Okay, so we still waiting. We're still waiting. We are still waiting. Confirm your age. I hereby confirm that I'm older than 13 years. Alright, so you have to be 13 and above. So at age 13 you can start coding. That's beautiful. Right. Oh wow, interesting. Free access to Anaconda for education with your university or college email. Right, so if you have that you can use that. That's beautiful actually. Alright. It's keeping long. Oh my god. It's keeping so long. So long. Alright. I think it's almost done. Almost, 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 almost. So I think you can actually use the same format, right? Because when we're downloading, it said, let's see, let's go back to download again. It said Windows or Linux, so you can actually come here for Windows and all that. Do you get? So you can actually go through that as well. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. And okay, get started. Now close. Can move to trash. Content installed. So let's go to file. Oh. Okay, let's go to applications because I can't find it here. A is Anaconda is A, right? So let's look for it. Yes, that's it. So let's open it up. Okay. Why are you keeping long? Let's open it up. Anaconda, 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 Anaconda. Oh, that's taking a while. What? Why? It's really taking a while. Anaconda, Anaconda. It's taking a while. It's really taking a while. Okay, it's now loading. Okay, so we have this. We can sign in so that what sign in for AI coding help, right? So I can actually sign in. Let's see if I could sign in with my email. Sometimes you can just overlook it, but Since I am trying to learn more about my tech and be very conversant with this, I just try to sign in so that it'll be easy and all that and all that and all that. Alright, so I'm using this. Mm, your signing. All right, so we have opened our Anaconda. So like this is on my machine now, and I'm going to launch my Jupyter notebook. Is that it? The notebook is not quite I'm not quite familiar with that. So let's try out the lab. Okay, it's open here. It's opening the lab again. Alright, so it has opened it here. So let's count off. Alright, let me close this one. So that will just be one. Yes, I am. Continue. This is the AI support, right? So if we have the AI support, you should know that ignore our update. If you have the AI support, you can know that, oh, it's going to help you actually do all these things. How do I close that? Okay, I think I have closed it. So now we have our Jupyter. We can actually give it a name. So we can say save name. Go to the save button here. Some people actually ask, how do I know that this is saved? But if you see something like this, you should know that it's actually saved. So you click on it. Then you want to save it to script one, right? 100 days, script one. Script one. You saved it, and now you can actually start your code, right? Right, so you see, does it. All right, I think this was easy to do. Just use the same format. If you're using Windows, I think you're still going to find the same thing. You just have to read. If it's Windows, you choose Windows, right? You don't choose Mac and all that, and you're good to go. I hope you learned a lot, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Thanks for learning with us. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe as well. All right, bye.